Most renovation disasters don't start on site. They start because nobody wrote anything down. A verbal agreement, a quote you never really compared, a budget that quietly creeps up every week, a variation they swear you approved, agreements forgotten, budgets that drift, changes never confirmed. This is why it happens. It's not because homeowners are careless. It's because nobody hands you a system, just a notes app and good intentions. Good intentions aren't a system. So here's the system. 4 tools. 1 renovation, fully under control. The Homeowner Renovation Bundle. Product 1 Renovation Workbook and Planner. First, the Renovation Workbook and Planner. Before you spend a penny, it walks you through defining the real problem, setting clear goals, and scoping the project properly, so you know exactly what you're asking builders to price. Define it, scope it, plan it, before you call a builder. Product 2 Renovation Budget Planner. Second, the Renovation Budget Planner. Build a realistic benchmark budget, compare contractor quotes properly, account for VAT and hidden costs, and plan your cash flow and payment stages, so nothing catches you out mid-project. Benchmark it, budget it, track every pound. Product 3 Homeowner Document Pack. Third, the Homeowner Document Pack, your paper trail from day one to handover. Appointment records, variation forms, site meeting notes, snagging lists, and a final project summary. Every decision, in writing. 10 ready-to-use forms. Nothing left to memory. Product 4 Builder Comparison Sheets. Fourth, the Builder Comparison Sheets. Because the cheapest quote isn't always the safest one. Compare builders on value, communication, professionalism and risk, not just price. Stop comparing on price alone. This isn't legal or financial advice. It doesn't replace your architect, surveyor or accountant. It's the structure that gets everything confirmed in writing, before it becomes an expensive misunderstanding. Built for homeowners planning any renovation, extension or remodel. 4 tools. 1 paper trail. Everything you need to walk into your renovation prepared, not finding out the hard way what happens when you don't. Plan it, budget it, prove it, protect it. If you're planning any kind of renovation, don't start without this. Grab the full Homeowner Renovation Bundle using the link below, before you make a single call to a builder. Get the full bundle, link in bio. Plan it, budget it, prove it, protect it. Your renovation, fully documented. The Homeowner Renovation Bundle, link in bio, description.